Hey everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing amazing because today we have got something fast, fierce, and absolutely unmissed, the Nitro Rail. This dragster is stylish beast built to crush the track. But is it just good looks or does it have a skills to match? Let's find out. This Nitro Rail is all about power and speed. With its stretched out body, giant back wheels, and open engine design. It's like they packed pure excitement into a car. Now here's the fun twist. Imagine decking it out at a Santa sleigh. A turbocharged, high-speed sleigh zooming through the sky. How cool would that be? Hot Wheels should totally make more of these for wild customization, don't you all think? Speaking of cool, let's talk about the man behind the diecast. It's Aaron Hancho, a top designer at Hot Wheels. He's been creating an incredible design since 2013, and you can see his passion shining in every detail of the Nitro Rail. Back to the car. The Nitro Rail even comes with a cute little trailer. It's a perfect for hauling your 1:64 scale car. The trailer rolls smoothly and looks amazing when loaded. And adds a fun touch to the diecast. The Nitro Rail is most plastic except for the metal trailer base. It makes me wonder how epic it would be if it were all metal. Maybe it's kept lightweight for better track performance, that's my guess. So, what's your take on it? All in all, the Nitro Rail is a must have for any collector. It's bold, unique, and total showstopper. So, got one in your collection already? Let me know what you think about it. So, that's it for today. If you are new here, welcome aboard. Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. And if you're already part of the crew, smash the like button and let me know which Hot Wheels I should check out next. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.